What's up, guys? It's your boy Mark, and in this video I will be going over how you can make money as a beginner with $25 1UP. And if you're new to this channel, make sure that you go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Also click that bell so you'll be the first to know once I upload these videos on how to make some daily cash and how you could, potentially make your online business better with the techniques that I use. So make sure you do that. Now here in my back office, I am in my resources with the gold level product over here that you will get once you join this business. If you come in at the lowest level, you will have access to all of these resources that I'm showing you right now. Now here is the affiliate marketing cheat sheet code. All you have to do is watch this video, and it's going to show you some things that you might not know that I didn't have when I started network marketing. All right, so when I started network marketing, you have way more, compared to when I started, you have way more access to getting quicker results than I did. I had to learn a lot of things on my own. It took time, it took money, and I'm trying to prevent that for you. So I'm trying to help you guys. So I'm sharing a system that is giving you a fast start, guys. This is a vehicle to your goals, all right? This is a fast vehicle to your goals. So you have to get to your goals, but how are you going to get there? Facebook groups, the cheat sheet for the videos, it teaches how to use Facebook groups, which are really effective. Me personally, I've made money out of Facebook groups. I made money with $25 1UP through Facebook. 50 ways or ideas to promote any business. So you could use $25 1UP, guys, to help you make more sales with any online business. In a few of my videos, I showed you how $25 1UP has created sales funnels and multiple things that could help other people make money that are part of different work from home programs. You can actually use $25 1UP to promote another opportunity. So that's another thing that I like about this system. It has multiple resources that you could just use to help you get to your success quicker. Okay, you have mindset training. Everything starts with the mind. Everything is a mindset. It's literally 10% skill and 90% mindset, in my opinion, because you could, anybody could give you a blueprint to make $1 million, right? But it's up to you to read and go through and train and study all of the stuff that's inside of the training that that person gave you. But if I gave you the blueprint to make $1 million and you just skim through it and you don't even, take any action, or because your mindset is, man, I can't make $1 million. I can't do this online. I can't do that. I can't do this. Then of course you're not going to be successful. So that's what this mindset training is for, is because you have to have an entrepreneur mindset. And as an entrepreneur, guys, no obstacle is too hard to get through, because we believe in the universe and we believe in the Almighty God. So that's why I feel like the mindset training is also important, because a lot of people will come into this business as a newbie or a beginner, might not be knowing anything and might have any type of doubt that, the business don't work. But you have to stay positive, stay, speaking affirmations, and keep going and stay consistent, and you'll see results. So you have more mindset motivation, because again, that's important. You have pre-written ads. This is, now, when I was coming in, I didn't have any pre-written ads, guys. I had to make everything from scratch. I didn't know what to put, what to say. I just knew I could just promote my business, and I was just doing everything wrong, and I lost a lot of money in the beginning. So here is something that could just help you get more eyes to your business faster, because once you post one of these headlines, you can use these in the funnels that you create, which you learn how to make and all of that stuff. Once you join me, you get different things that you can just post to get people attention. Okay, attention. Start today, being profit today. Somebody will see them and be like, whoa, what is this? Let me get some more information on that. $125 paid to you multiple times a day. We have a funnel that goes along with this headline right here. Instant PayPal payments. People are going to want to know what you're talking about, because I post daily and I get people coming to me all the time. Hey, I want to know what it is that you do. Can I get more information? How can I get started? It's easy. This is proven words, proven ads, guys, that's work, that's helped people make money along the way. This system has paid out over $1 million in commission. Okay, so you have to understand that this system works. You just have to do the steps that's necessary to get to where you're trying to go. You know, you have to stay consistent. You can't just post 2 days or 3 days out, you know, the month and expect, you know, to have a successful business. You got to be every day on your grind, every day have to have your why and your reasoning in front of you so you could keep going. Okay. And then let's say somebody, you know, somebody wanted more information. You like, oh, somebody, I don't know what to say. Boom, you come down to here, copy this and put your link right here, which I'm going to show you how to get your link. Put it right here and your name and send it out. And they'll be able to see the information. All right. Let's say they create an account. Oh, yeah, I don't know. Here you go, guys. Copy this. This is exactly all you have to do. It's all you have to do is copy, paste. All right. If you can copy and paste, you can get paid. Because this system is designed for you to make daily income every single day. All right. So you just send that out. Go ahead. This is the following up. This is what you're doing. You're following up. You also can set up email autoresponders, which I show you how to do. I've already done it. It's on my YouTube. You can check it out. If you a person that like to call, if you're a hard seller, you like to call, cold script calling, you could use this script right here. It's email scripts. It's so many things, guys, that you could use as a beginner to make money with $25 1-up. Now, if you are new to this, you don't know anything about it. It's a system that allows you to make 100% instant commissions daily. Okay, so you can earn anywhere from $25 to $1,000 per referral, which I don't think is bad at all. This is one of the best money making programs that I've seen online. Cause 3 years later, I am still getting paid with this company, and it's instant. You can use it the same time you get it. All right. That's why I love $25 1-up, because it gives so much value. And that was what everything that I just showed you. I didn't even show you everything. Look, you still have so much more stuff that you could use. And that's only coming in at the lowest level, which is only $25 to get started. So you tell me if you can't come in at least at the $25 level and use those pre-run ads and promote it on your social media, or take the strategies that I give you and make more money with it. To me, starting a business for $25, guys, is priceless. All right. And then it's no monthly fees. That's really what made me just get started with $25 1-up, because most of my businesses in the past, I had to pay some type of monthly fee, and I had to keep up with my sales. I had to keep up with my monthly expenses, and it was just hard to juggle at a young age. So now I have something that allows me to get paid every single day, no monthly fees, and it's instant commissions. And I just find that one of a kind. So if you're interested in $25 1-up and you have some type of online business, or you want to start an online business, the link will be below. You could use this as a beginner. It's beginner friendly. As you can see here, all you have to do, guys, is just navigate. Look how clean the back office is. All right. This is how clean the back office is. You can see how many people have actually been to your page. This comes from me marketing. This comes from me with sharing my pages with people. So if somebody clicks on either one of your pages here that $25 1-up has created for you, you will get updates about it. How many people signed up with you, referrals, all of that, you will get it. So here is some capture pages. When you capture these emails, $25 1-up has a autoresponder already built in that sends out emails to the leads. Okay, they follow up for you. Everything is truly autopilot. Okay, it's automated. You really have to just focus on your marketing. Focus on how you're going to get your point across to many people to make sales. It's a numbers game. All right. So I tell people all the time, it's not a quick get rich scheme, but you can make money the same day, because I did. All I did was drove some traffic to one of these funnel pages. I built the email list and somebody bought that first day. So it's not impossible, but I don't want you to come in thinking that you don't have to put in the work. Once you set up a few things and you want to just drive traffic and sit back and watch the sales come in, you can do that. But you have to be consistent. You have to. So here are just a few of the funnels that they give you. You have multiple funnels that they give you. And so as a beginner, you might be like, hey, I don't know how to create a website. I don't know how to do code. I don't know how to do this. I don't know how to do that. Everything that you are, worrying about or don't have experience in is already inside this system. So if you like this content, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel and click the link below or above wherever you're watching this video. Get started with $25 1UP if you want to make 100% instant commissions from $25 to $1,000 per referral. And also, I will put another video here. You can watch this video on the compensation plan, how it works and everything, and get started. But make sure that you go ahead and click that bell so you be notified, guys. Other than that, I'm out.